the lens of philosophy and attitude of life and spirituality that this yoga was given to Western culture with is about love and kindness and bhakti and you know, devotion to the good and well-being of the community and the people around you, looking for opportunities to serve others. And so that part kind of got overlooked at different junctures in mainstream Western yoga, and it, you know, it's not a business model. It's not, you know, it's really about just helping people. And so when you talk to the people in Mysore, that's really kind of what they say. And then one of the questions we asked to everyone, what about these sequences? Where did they come from? How old are they? Who came up with it? How closely should we follow this? And should, you know, is it disrespectful to like leave out a pose or hold, you know, stop when we can't do it? Should, like, what do you think about all that? You get very, very different mixed opinions, and some of them say fixed sequence is nonsense. How can everybody do the same yoga? They can't. It has to be individualized because we have different needs. And other people say, well, no, this is a very powerful technique, and you don't just start screwing around with it and mix it all up because you don't even know what you're doing. This can actually harm you if you just play with it. It's a potent thing. And I mean, for me, the truth is somewhere in between. But the question comes, should you repeat movements over and over again for years which actually injure you and cause you pain? No, of course not. Everybody has a million theories and ideas and techniques about, you know, should you bend your arms to a right angle in chaturanga or go down? Should you touch your knees to the floor when you push up or not? Should you this, or should your hands be this way, wider, narrower? like who's right and who's wrong? Everybody's right and everybody's wrong. Pain is how you know. If you want to do these movements in a way that you can do for years and years and years and enjoy your practice and be pain-free, you have to allow pain and the sensations you get when you practice to be your first and primary guide. And then you learn from all your teachers the ideas and techniques that they have, some of which might work for you right now, some of which might not work for you at all, some of which you might need later. So what I'm gonna do is just share a sort of variety of things that have come to me and which have helped me a lot.